Welcome to the Wolver Channel, where crypto dreams become reality. This isn't just another tutorial. This is your moment, your chance to step into the world of crypto creation with confidence. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to launch your own token on any blockchain. No prior experience, no excuses. Just follow these steps and let's make it happen today. Step 1. Remix.eth, your starting line. Open your browser and go to remix.eth. This is where your journey begins. Step 2. Create your token file, the foundation. Click New File and name it. MyToken.sol. The .sol extension is critical. This file will define your token structure and future. Step 3. Paste your contract code, the blueprint. You need a smart contract to make this work. Don't have one? No problem. Message me on Telegram right now, link below, and I'll send you a battle-tested, ready-to-use contract instantly. Step 4. Compile it. Turn code into action. Navigate to the Solidity Compiler tab. Select the correct version and hit Compile. If you see green, you're on the right track. Step 5. Deploy. Your token goes live. Connect your wallet. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any compatible wallet. Choose your network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, your choice. Set gas fee. Convert to Wave value for optimal pricing. Enter token details. Name, make it memorable and strong. Total supply. Decide how many tokens will exist. Symbol, keep it short and impactful. Hit deploy. Final step, claim your creation. Copy the contract address, go to your wallet, and import the token. That's it. You've just created your own cryptocurrency. If this helped you, like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more powerful content. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Need the code? Act now. Message me on Telegram today, link below, and I'll send you the exact smart contract code you need to get started. The future belongs to those who take action. Your time is now. Start building.